The need for speed continues at Gauntlet. This week, I published my newest iOS app, an instant messaging platform for international travelers, and it's already available in over 100 countries around the world. Let's explore some of its AI features. What's up, and welcome to Wutzup International, language learning, powered by AI. In this app, you can create educational group chats with either your friends or helpful AI language tutors. Some of the most exciting features include smart replies, conducting bilingual web research, generating GIFs, translating messages, and learning cultural context about a message. For the smart replies, it's going to use the described personality on the user's profile in order to generate both a positive response and a negative response according to the messages within the chat. Let's go ahead and press positive response and begin typing our draft even further. You can see Isabella Santos continues to type, and when she presses send, we can see that it pops up here. If the user would like to conduct web research, then they type their prompt in this box, which queries DuckDuckGo live and compiles that information using an LLM, and when they're finished, it returns both the original language and the language that the user is trying to learn based on what's in their profile. The most important part here is that all the paragraphs are perfectly lined up, so that way you can very easily compare and contrast your original to your learning language and learn more simply. Generating GIFs is a breeze. Simply type in your prompt, preview the results, and send it to the group. Need translations? No problem. Need cultural context? Learning has never been this easy. When creating a chat with your friends, add a tutor to the group to keep the conversation moving. At its core, Wutzup International is a reliable messaging platform that includes everything needed for a strong user experience, such as online and offline status updates, live typing indicators, and draft messages per conversation that are persisted even between app sessions. The architectural diagram for Wutzup International is quite simple. It's a Swift native iOS mobile app that communicates with Firebase, with authentication, the real-time database, some Python Lambda functions, S3 file storage, and push notifications. We may only be 2 weeks into the Gauntlet challenge, but already I'm growing smarter, faster, and stronger. Although it's been an exhausting journey, with great effort comes great reward. So thank you, and see you soon.